Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Canva step by step. Whether you're using it for your business, social media, or just for fun, it's super easy to make one in just a few minutes. First things first, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner to get started. Next, choose the design template that fits your needs. It could be an Instagram post, a flyer, or a custom size. For this example, we'll choose a price list template and add a link to website in it, but feel free to pick whatever suits you. You can customize the template first, add some images and everything you need in it. I'm adding website logo just to make it look like a real one. I'm using random website. You can use yours website, URL, or Instagram link, or whatever link you need. Now here comes the fun part. On the left-hand panel, scroll down to find the Apps section. Click on More and search for QR code. It's a built-in tool that makes creating QR codes super simple. Click on the QR code app and you'll see a box where you can enter your URL. This is the link you want your QR code to point to, whether it's your website, social media page, or an event registration form. Just paste your URL into the box and click Generate. Once your QR code appears, you can resize it, move it around, and place it anywhere on your design. You can even change the background color or add text and images around it to match your brand style. And that's it. You've just created a custom QR code in Canva. It's ready to be used wherever you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and let me know in the comments what you'll use your QR code for. Thanks for watching and happy designing. And